Okay, so it looks like the pyroids, did sell 10,000 in that first week, but afterwards, instead of increasing in sales, we actually saw a decrease in sales by 3%. So you'll notice that my growth rate is going to be whatever 100 minus that 3 is. So that's my percent. But again, to write it as a decimal, I'm going to take that 97%, and I'm going to divide by 100, and that will give me the actual growth rate. And actually this time it's called a decay because we're seeing it get smaller instead of larger. And that's why you're seeing this 0.97 in your table. Okay, so go ahead and see if you can fill in the 3 missing table values, and then we'll talk about the explicit equation. So you should get values that look a lot like what I have written there. Now our explicit equation, T of n, equals a times the growth rate raised to the nth power. We know that our 0 term, that's a, is 10,000, times our growth rate, which is actually what we call a decay this time, of 0.97. It's a decay because it's less than 1, raised to the nth power.